Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. So I got some leftover curry and I decided to make some noodles. Also, I was done with the meatballs and the pan had some good stuff on it, so I decided just to put some warm water, mix it up, stir it, and then put it into the curry mix. It was just for the flavor, you know. I do not like wasting anything, so that's what I did. So I poured the mixture into the curry. And then added in some boiled water. After that, just added in the noodles. I used 4 packs of noodles. Put the lid on and let it cook. So after some time, I stirred it in because the noodles has already started softening. So I mixed it up and again let it cook for some more time because it wasn't soft enough yet. And then finally, after a few more minutes, this time it was done. So I gave it a good mix and then turned off the stove. It was all done. But I tell you, my whole family loved it. I told them I just made noodles. Sometimes it's better they don't know what I do, you know. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.